third interview is the MBA admission in college. In this interview, there are 6 members are as follows. The interview are Miss Nikita Patale, Miss Urmi Kulkarni, and the interviewees are Mr. Badsha Patil, Mr. Omkar Sastur, Mr. Sumit Gaikwad, and Mr. Jinendra Vibhute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are you ready, guys? Yes, good morning, Bacha.
Good morning, ma'am.
So,
Yes. Morning.
good morning. So, Bacha, can you introduce yourself first?
Yes, ma'am. I am Bacha Riaz Patil. I am from Limbi Chinsoli village, Solapur. I completed my graduation from Sangmeshwar Autonomous College, Solapur. I have good leadership skills. I am a YouTuber. I create videos on different subjects like traveling vlogs, motivational, information and technology, and as well as network marketing.
Okay.
Okay, Bacha. First of all, tell me, why do you want to pursue an MBA, for job or for business?
Ma'am, I want to pursue MBA for becoming a businessman.
Okay. So, Bacha, as you said, you want to do business. I would like to know which type of business you want to do.
Uh, Ma'am, traditionally our family is in farming work. All people in our village are related to farm work. So I want to do business related to agriculture. I want to provide profit to all the farmers in our village by providing them an opportunity to sell their farm products directly to me in higher profits.
Okay, Bacha. As you say, you
Okay.
want to do business after MBA, then tell me, you have any individual business experience?
Yes, ma'am. As I have said in last answer that our family is in agricultural works, we also run different factories like milk processing, grain processing, groundnut and sunflower oil processing, also jaggery processing factories. So I have spent my entire childhood learning and working there with my father and uncle. So I have lots of business experience regarding farm works.
Okay. So, Bacha, I would like to know why you choose our college over the others.
Ma'am, because my uncle has completed their MBA from your college in 2010 batch. I have heard so many great things about your prestigious campus through my uncle. They told me that this campus ultimately focuses on the practical knowledge regarding businesses. So we need lots of practical knowledge before doing any business with book knowledge. And this college has given lots of great businessmen to our country. Hence, I have chosen your college over others. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, Bacha, we are done here. Wait for the response.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, next is Mr. Jinendra. Are you ready for the interview?
Thank you.
Sure, ma'am.
Well, tell me about yourself.
Yeah. Myself, Jinendra Vibhute, and I am from Akkalkot. I have completed my graduation in BBA in Solapur University, and my hobbies are traveling, swimming, reading books, and my strengths are a good respect power, a good decision maker, and a quick learner. And I do like leadership qualities. And I also have a stage fear. But this MBA can be a good platform to improve my innocence. And this MBA is a degree where to take initiative to come out of your comfort zone and compete with others. And it was helped me in making my future goals and achievements. That's it.
Okay. So, Jinendra Vibhuti, will you please tell me why do you want to study an MBA, like for job or business?
Yeah, ma'am. Uh, well, for business because I want to learn new things. I can get great knowledge, new skills, extra experience, and my dream is I want to start my own business. Thus, I want to achieve my long-term goals, and this MBA course will enable me to reach that objective. I can make a new strategical way to grow my business, and I can make huge network and to create new connections and new customers. This MBA can make me a great way to prepare for a changing my business environment. Thus, this is a very affordable to me, and also I have experience in business. That's it.
Okay. As you
Okay.
said you want to do business, then tell me,
Yes.
what do you think? Which qualities will make you a good businessman?
Yeah, ma'am. Well, there are five qualities are there uh, that will be make me a good businessman. First is taking risks. This will be make to be a good businessman, and a good businessman needs to be afraid to take risks. And this entrepreneurial spirits needs can be make me a strong in order to achieve my business and improve my revenue. And this will be a required to businessman to take risks from time to time. Second quality is leadership skills. Probably one of the most important qualities of a good businessman is to have leadership skills. In this, I have to make sure that my workers are going to trust me, follow me, and take my decisions. I can inspire my workers, team of associates, to perform as well as they can, and it guaranteed that they will become the best. And helps me to balance the business. And the third one is smart thinking. This quality describes that a businessman should be a smart thinker, understand the changes and there are that are happening, spot emerging opportunities, and utilize them for the success of business. The fourth quality is continuous learning and updation. Businessmen should learn and keep themselves updated about the changes in the business environment, including the latest trends, new products introduced by competitors, fashions, technology, business models, and therefore continuous learning and upgradation of knowledge is the key to success. The last quality is personal experience, personal qualities. A businessman should possess common sense, courage, dedication, patience, tact, calm, and emotional stability to succeed in business. That's good.
Okay, Jinendra, tell me, why do you want to study your MBA with our university?
Yeah, ma'am. As we are fully aware, there are many different colleges and universities offering the MBA course. However, due to the level of commitment involved and the significance the MBA will have on my future career aspirations, and it was vital I choose a university that has highly experienced lectures, that has a solid and robust programs structure for achieving the MBA course objectives, and an environment that is conducive to constructive and effective learning. I conducted lots of research into the different universities available, and there was nothing that may put me off from applying here. This is the only place that I want to study MBA program, and if I'm successful, I will contribute positively. I will study hard, and I will not let you down. That's it.
Okay, Jinendra. And the last question is, there are many suitable qualified applicants. Then tell me, why should we accept you the other?
Yes, ma'am. Well, I fully understand there are many applicants who all have the same level of ambitions as I have. However, not only will I promise to be successful on the MBA program and apply myself throughout, but I will also support other students so they achieve success too. And I will act as a positive role model for the university during my time here. Finally, I genuinely believe I will go on and make effective use of the MBA in the future career. And I say this due to my long-term strategic plans and the ambitions I have that form part of my career planning roadmap. Thank you.
Well, Jinendra, your interview is done. Wait for the results. It will be mailed.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
So Sumit Gaikwad, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Will you please introduce yourself?
Well, ma'am, my name is Sumit Gaikwad. I have completed my graduation from Sangmeshwar College and I am from Solapur. I am sincere and punctual about my time and work. I'm a sports person. I also know some programming languages like C++ and Java, and I love to learn something new always.
Okay.
Okay, Sumit. Then tell me, why do you want to pursue an MBA? For job or for business?
Well, ma'am, I'm going to do MBA for my job purpose because MBA develops advanced and flexible management skills. It also access to an extensive business network. MBA helps to learn about other functional areas and industries.
Okay. As you said, you're thinking to do job of after your master degree. So which faculty would you like to be and why?
Well, ma'am, I would like to do market manager because every business has a product or service which wants to sell, and market managers are needed in nearly every industries.
Okay. So will you tell me about what are your short-term and long-term memories,
Well, ma'am,
goals?
I have kept my short-term and long-term goals fair. As I went through the job description for the position, I set up the goals to achieve the required target mentioned. I want to deliver more than what I expected from myself. As for the long term goals, I seek bigger so that I can continuously test myself.
Okay. So Sumit, how do you plan to use an MBA to support your career?
Well, ma'am, the best reason to get an MBA is that you become more marketable to employers. It is very beneficial qualification to take has and enhance both skills and knowledge in the finance sector.
Okay. So that's enough, Sumit. Wait for the response. We'll get back to you through mail.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Wish you the same.
Okay. Now next is Omkar Sastur. Are you ready for the interview?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First of all, tell me about yourself.
Thanks, ma'am, for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Onkar Sastur, and I was grown and brought up from Solapur, and I am recently graduate from Sangmeshwar College, where I completed my BBA. Talking about my hobbies and interest, I love playing cricket, and little bit I spend my time in reading books and learning new activities. And I am eager to excited to get a seat in your college. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Then my next question is, why do you want to pursue an MBA? For job or for business?
Definitely for a job, ma'am. I have always been interested in operations and project management. Hence, I would like to work and study hard in order to take up roles in the same areas. I believe the good MBA school will help in attaining those skills and talent and achieve my dream.
Okay, Onkar. I would like to know about your goals after MBA.
After MBA, my goals are I want to join a top management consulting firm such as McKinsey, BCG, or bend to learn from diverse portfolio of client engagements. I will work my way to becoming a partner, and in the long run, I will specialize in bringing digital strategies to the financial service industry. That's it.
Okay. So Onkar, everybody goes through a failure or failures. So what do you learn from
Yes.
failure?
From failure, ma'am, sometimes the most important lessons in life are learned from failure. Failure can teach us many things about ourselves. When you fall down and pick yourselves back up, you build muscle and strength. Similarly, each time you fail and recover, you build strength of character, commitment, and work ethic. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, Omkar. My last question is, who is your inspiration and why?
Ma'am, my inspiration is Ratan Tata sir because Ratan Tata sir is visionary. When he joined the group, it was barely doing any business outside India. Ratan Tata sir is known for humility, and there are countless examples. He is a decision maker. A, a famous quote of his, or Ratan Tata sir famous quote is, "I don't believe in making the right decision. I take decision and then make them right." Thank you.
Okay, Omkar, your interview is done. Wait for the results. It will be mailed.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too. Have a good day.
Well done, guys. We are done with all three interviews. Now I request to Nikita to propose a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Sanket. Good morning, ma'am, and my all dear friends. It's a matter of pride for me that I am proposing a vote of thanks for this activity. On behalf of my team members, first of all, my most sincere thanks to ma'am for giving us an opportunity to play this activity, and also thanks to all my friends who has peacefully listened and gave support to this activity. And from this activity, we learned many things like how to discuss among team members, and most important, we learned about interviewer and interviewee, how they play a role in any panel. Once again, thanks to ma'am for encouraging us for this activity. Thank you.
अप्लॉडेबल. खूप सुंदर केला. आहे का अजून? का झालं?
Ma'am,
No,
can
ma'am,
I call
done.
firefighters?
Hello, sir.
No,
Done.
ma'am, we are done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
हा.
can I call firefighters now? I think we have light fire on this platform.
Yes, indeed. Absolutely.
We are rocking.
You really rocked it. You nailed it. Literally, I would say that you guys nailed it. I was like starstruck. म्हणजे काय हे काय परफॉर्म करतायत हे बीबीए फर्स्ट इयरचे स्टुडंट्सच आहेत ना. I was a bit confused, or these are from the master degree or something, who are more matured, who are more grown ups. सो नोट डाऊन केलं मी. स्टार्टेड विथ अ गुड इंट्रोडक्शन. संकेत खूप छान इंट्रोडक्शन दिला. यू ग्रीटेड एव्हरी वन. यू टोल्ड द मेंबर्स नेम्स. नावं सांगितली तुम्ही सगळ्यांची. आणि परत तो तो काय म्हणतो आपण, स्टार्ट मिडल अँड एंड प्लॉट जो असतो, ऍक्च्युअल सक्सेसफुल प्लॉट जसा फॉलो होतो पॅरिस्टॉटलच्या प्लेजमध्ये किंवा कुठेही, की स्टार्ट आहे, मिडल आहे आणि एंड आहे. प्लॉटचं सेटिंग बरोबर होतं. जसं की तुम्ही स्टार्टिंगला इंट्रोड्यूस केला, ते लोक इंटरव्ह्यू परफॉर्म केले. मग तुम्ही सेकंड पार्ट जो प्रमोशनल इंटरव्ह्यू होता तिथे तुम्ही इंट्रोड्यूस केलात, आणि मग ते झाल्यानंतर वेल डन गाईज, अँड देन यू कंटिन्यूड टू द लास्ट ऍडमिशन प्रोसेस इंटरव्ह्यू. सो त्या सगळ्यामध्ये तो इंट्रोडक्शन म्हणजे तो अँकरिंग प्रोसेस जो आपण म्हणतो तो खूप छान पद्धतीने केला. व्होट ऑफ थँक्स निकिता. वेल डन. यू स्पोक वेल. प्रत्येकाचे क्वेश्चन्सला
Thank you, ma'am.
आन्सर्स वेल कोऑर्डिनेटेड होते तुमचे. इट्स लाईक वन ऑन वन. बरोबर चाललं होतं. सेंडर वॉज ऑल्सो करेक्ट अँड रिसिव्हर वॉज ऑल्सो रिसिव्हिंग दॅट करेक्टली अँड गिव्हिंग द फीडबॅक. सो जे 7 C's ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन आय गेस ते पूर्ण फॉलो केलात तुम्ही. प्रोफेशनलिझम वॉज विविडली विजिबल. प्रोफेशनलिझम म्हणतो ना आपण, की आता एखादा व्यक्ती जो ऍक्च्युअली त्या प्रोफेशनला बिलॉंग करतो किंवा तो वेल लर्न पर्सन असेल, म्हणजे सुशिक्षित सफिस्टिकेटेड पर्सन, तो बोलताना कसं बोलतो त्या पद्धतीने तुमच्यामध्ये तो फ्लो होता. आय वॉज amazed that are they really the students that I really are these students that I daily talk with. हेच ते स्टुडंट्स आहेत का रोज बोलणारे. तर तो ड्रास्टिक चेंज होता. लिटरली हा ड्रास्टिक चेंज जाणवला. फ्लुएन्सी होती. ऑब्व्हियसली इंग्लिश तुमचं फ्लुएंटली बोलत होतात तुम्ही. आणि डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन्ड होतं. येस, first thing that I noted here above all is discipline. खूप छान डिसिप्लिन्ड पद्धतीने ते केलात. सिंक ऑब्व्हियसली ईमेल मला बादशाह पाटीलनी जे एक ईमेल कोऑर्डिनेशन असतं तो पाठवून दिला की कसं प्रमोशन इंटरव्ह्यू होणार आहे. ते तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी मिळून लिहिलात का ईमेल? कसं केलंय ते?
नाही मॅम, मीच लिहिलं होतं ते एक माहोल क्रिएट करण्यासाठी.
हा, गुड. सो राईट, तो एक काय म्हणतो आपण, एक ते ओरा क्रिएट करतो ना, तशासारखं. व्हेरी गुड बादशाह पाटील. तो तुम्ही ईमेल मी तो पूर्ण वाचला. चांगली गोष्ट केलात की त्याच्यामध्ये सांगितलं की तुमच्यातलं कोण आहे, कोण जाणार आहे आणि काय प्रमोशन इंटरव्ह्यू घेत आहे. तो रिझन होणं महत्वाचा होता. तो रिझन असणं महत्वाचं होतं. वेल डन. अँड पॉझिटिव्ह फ्लो होता. इथे कुणीही एकमेकांबद्दल काही नेगेटिव्ह कमेंट केलेलं नाहीये. वेन द एम्प्लॉईज वर आस्क्ड अबाउट द कलीग or the previous company, no one uttered a negative comment. Khan said that I get myself busy with work. ते माझं वीक पॉइंट आहे. हेच खान तुम्ही म्हणाला होतात ना?
येस मॅम.
वेल डन. तुम्ही तो जो स्ट्रेंथ आणि विकनेसेस कसं सांगायचं हे तुम्हाला कळालंय. स्ट्रेंथ आणि विकनेसेस अशाच पद्धतीने सांगायचे आता. येस, वी कॅन बी व्हेरी ट्रू टू आवर सेल्फ दॅट येस, वीकनेस इज दॅट आय एम अ स्लो लर्नर और समथिंग. एनी जिथे तुमची ती एक प्रकारे स्ट्रेंथ होऊ शकते. सो ते तुम्ही चांगल्या पद्धतीने दाखवलात. फंबल कुणीही केलं नाही किंवा मर्मरिंग झालंय किंवा अटकलात कुठे, हे काहीही झालं. पॅरा लँग्वेजचा वापर आय गेस जास्त केलेला नाहीये तुम्ही लोकांनी. म्हणजे जो असं जे अटकण्याचा आपण बघितलेला आहे तो नाही केला. सो व्हेरी गुड. अँड फॉर्मॅलिटीज वर केप्ट. फॉर्मॅलिटीज म्हणजे ग्रीट करणं, वेदर इट मे बी इन द ऍडमिशन प्रोसेस इंटरव्ह्यू और इन द जॉब इंटरव्ह्यू और प्रमोशन इंटरव्ह्यू. सगळ्या ठिकाणी तुमचा तो फॉर्मॅलिटीजचा जो सिक्वेन्स आहे तो फ्लो तो फॉलो केलेला आहे. तुम्ही सांगितलात की आता आपण कम्युनिकेशन ऑनलाईन घेतोय, की ऑनलाईन मोड थ्रूच आपला हा इंटरव्ह्यू असेल. तो एक दिसून आला. अँड लीडर, येस, वेल लेड. चांगलं प्लॅनिंग होतं. काय म्हणणार, खूप पॉझिटिव्ह, सगळेच पॉझिटिव्ह पॉईंट्स आहेत. देर इज नो नेगेटिव्ह पॉईंट वेर आय कॅन पिन पॉईंट. ऍब्सोल्युटली तुम्ही खरंच रॉक, काय म्हणतो आपण, आग लावून टाकलं म्हणतात ना, तुम्ही कोणी म्हणालं होतं ते, खरंच ते दिसून आलं.
थँक्यू मॅम.
बाकी
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
थँक्यू मॅम.